In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams with Gmail account. To begin, you will be signing into Microsoft Teams on the web using a Gmail address. This is useful if your work or school set up your Microsoft account with a Gmail login, or if your Microsoft 365 account is linked to that Gmail address. Before you start, make sure you are using a trusted device and a secure internet connection, since you will be accessing your account. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams sign-in page. You can do this by searching for Microsoft Teams Sign-In and selecting the official Microsoft Sign-In result. When the page loads, take a moment to confirm you are on the real Microsoft website so you know you are signing in safely. On the Sign-In page, click the Sign In button. This will bring up the Microsoft login flow. At this point, enter the Gmail address that is associated with your Microsoft account. If your account requires it, complete any verification prompts that appear, such as a code or approval request. Follow the on-screen instructions until the sign-in finishes. After you successfully sign in, you will be taken to the Teams web experience. Next, click the highlighted option on the page. This is the on-screen selection that moves you forward into Teams using the account you just signed in with. If you see multiple account options, choose the one that matches the Gmail-based Microsoft account you want to use. Then click the next highlighted option that appears. This final selection completes the transition into Microsoft Teams and brings you to the main Teams interface, where you can access chats, join or schedule meetings, and open teams and channels, depending on what your account has access to. If anything does not load correctly, refresh the page once, or try opening Teams in a private or incognito window to avoid saved login conflicts. Once you are in, it is a good idea to stay signed in only on personal devices and sign out when you are finished on shared computers. And that is all there is to it.